Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Saisha Malyala, and this is most important and most required topic for many of you guys. So that is why I'm making a video on this SRM Phase 2. Unacademy is conducting a special class on 19th and 26th June 7 p.m. with Vipul Goyal, who is a comedian come actor and also a IIT JEE All India rank 165 who secured seat in IIT Bombay Electrical Engineering. So he will be explaining how he cracked IIT JEE with All India rank 165, and he will be giving all his success mantras to you. Don't miss these two special classes. Use the link in the description and don't forget to use my code CharanYT. It will be totally a free class. Based on the feedback from the students, there is a limited offer going for IIT JEE aspirants. If you subscribe to Iconic subscription for IIT JEE, you will be getting Unacademy branded notes directly to your doorstep. This offer is valid from 21st June to 30th June. So please do enroll now. You can use the links in the description and subscribe on Unacademy. I always suggest you people to write the mock test when your preparation is done and check your preparation level. And if you have any mistakes in the exam, you can rectify them. You can use this particular Unacademy combat test. Every Sunday you will be having the test. You will be given online All India ranks and scholarships. So please don't miss this chance. You can win 4 crore worth scholarships every Sunday at 11 a.m. Use the link in the description and don't forget to use my code CharanYT. It is totally a free test. So guys, if you see here, this is of one student who raised a query regarding SRM JEE Phase 2. So dear candidate, greeting from SRM University, and with reference to your above query, we are glad to have you shown interest in SRM IST. So these are some of the important points which I wanted to say you from these particular screenshot. So Phase 2 exams will be conducted on 29 and 30. Previously the date was in July, but now they have preponed them. So 29 and 30 June. So Phase 2 exams. Already Phase 1 is done. Phase 1 counseling is also going on. 3 rounds is already completed. Regarding 4th round, there is no other information till now. So that is the only drawback which I have seen through SRM is, so they don't inform anything in a particular way. So they don't have any particular timings. So candidate need to apply separately by registering with alternate email ID and mobile number. So the email ID, so main important thing, please listen, the email ID and mobile number should be different. So in your first phase, if you use X1 and X2, and you should not use this X1 and X2, try to use X3 and X4. This is mobile number and this is email ID. So different mails and different email ID should be used now for writing Phase 2. So now once in Phase 1 PAL received, so what is this? So once you received a provisional allotment letter, so PAL, provisional allotment letter or provisional admission letter, anything else, if you got seat and you accepted it, you paid the fees. If you got allotment in PAL, so you write Phase 2? This is most of the asked question. So no. So as I already discussed, what if you already wrote Phase 1? So if you see, if you wish to attend for Phase 2, so Phase 2 ranking will not be, only will be considered, and Phase 1 will ranking will be cancelled. So whatever rank, so they are not going to take best of 2. So whatever rank you are going to get in Phase 2, that will be considered. If it is less than the previous one or more than the previous one, they are going to consider only Phase 2 one. So please keep this in the mind. Now, who all are eligible? So first and foremost, new registration candidates. So those who want to register, they can register. So just check this. I will leave this particular website link in the description. Just after entering here, just see here on the left, you can see enter your name, email address, mobile number, OTP, and select the state. So you have to select your state, city, and select the course and click on register. So once you register, so the next process I will be discussing as we move forward in this video. So if you see, so that is new registration and already applied Phase 1 but not allotted any seat. So you wrote SRM Phase 1 but you didn't got good rank and you didn't got any allotment. So you also should open this website again, fill all this same name, but email ID and phone number should be different. You will get an OTP, you have to verify that, and then select state. And here, so you may use this existing user, you should not use this because so that is not valid now for Phase 2. You should register newly. Now coming to already seat allotted in Phase 1 but did not got PL. I mean, so some people got. Now coming to everyone should register newly, and even if Phase 1, Phase 2 available. So many are saying that Bhaiya, in application there is this particular called Phase 1, 2. So in your old application, if that is also there, please again you have to register once again. So this is the main important thing. So if you want to apply, so the link is in the description, where to apply, link in the description. Click that and open the web page. So as I already said, steps to follow. So what are the steps you need to follow while applying? First and foremost, as I showed, you have to register yourself. Then you have to verify your mail. You will get a verification code to your mail. You have to verify, and after that you have to open that and fill application form online and give all the academic details. And if you don't have 12th standard, don't worry, you can fill it afterwards when you get them. So till then you can wait, and then you have to pay application fee. How much is application fee? 1100 rupees. So this is non-refundable or non-transferable. And upload the documents like photo, signature, they will ask. So from what are all the things you need to keep it ready is photograph of 3.5 centimeter into 4.5 centimeter. It should be 1 MB, not more than that. Signature not more than 1 MB, 3.5 into 1.5 centimeter. Coming to payment, net banking or credit card or debit card details. So anything, from anything you can pay the fee. So this is about steps to apply. And now important dates. Coming to important dates, so here, so I wanted to talk about these things. So what about slot booking and mock test dates? So are not given it. So official data is not available anywhere, not even in their official website. They didn't release them. If you see, last date of application is 20th. So 20th June. So, and exams are 29 and 33 slots. Okay, so these are the important dates they gave on the website. Only these two things are given. So you can also check. I will show you. So if you see here, so these are the important information and important dates. Just see here, only these thing is given in the website, nothing other than that. Now to keep you alert, so I have coming up with this expected dates, expected. So please guys, again, please don't, some people will always, whenever I give my opinion and say these are expected things, some people will be coming and creating controversy out of it and create discussion out of it. So I'm again and again saying these are some expected dates according to me. So I will also explain why I am expecting those dates to be for slot booking and mock test dates. If you check here, this is SRM JEE phase 1 and phase 2, and whatever I kept in star are expected. So if you see, last date of form filling is 15th May, after exactly 5th day from the closing, so slot booking started. So that is why exactly after 5th day I started here. So 20 and 21, so 25, 26, this is one possibility. So mock test dates is also same as this. So this is for phase 1. So mock test also, if this is the case, this may be the possibility. Okay, now main exam is from 23 and 24. If you see, exactly there is a gap, 1 day gap between mock test last day and first day of exam. So if you see, 29th is the exam. So if we left 28th, so the last date should be 27, right? So either these two. So again, exactly 1 day gap and before 2 days, right? So like that I have expected these 2 dates. So either these 2 days or either these 2 days will be your slot booking and mock test dates. So I hope you got like logic behind that. And exactly after 3 days of gap, you got the result here. So same like that, exactly gap of 3 days. So that July may be your result. So based on that, I am expected these dates. So mostly, one more important thing is here, 27 is Sunday. So if that is the case, if they don't want to conduct mock test on Sunday, so mostly your dates may be 25, 26, and for slot booking also 25, 26. These are my expectations. So once they release official dates, I will update you in the community post. So these are my views about expected or important dates for phase 2. So 20th June is the last date to fill the application form, and today it is 18th. So still you have 19th and 20, exactly 2 days left. And today, if you include today, it's exactly 3 days left for your application form filling. If you didn't fill the form yet, so do use the link in the description and do check out that and fill accordingly. You have to register newly with new email ID and new mobile number if you already registered for phase 1. So thank you guys. That's it for the video. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.